Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word bookers. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The Bookers Committee selects the best literary work of the year for the prestigious award. In this context, Bookers refers to the committee responsible for selecting and awarding the prestigious Booker Prize for outstanding literary work. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.